Ravana is a Brahmin. Ravana's father Sage Vishrava is grandson of Lord Brahma. Hence, killing Ravana is Brahmahatya. Brahmanahatya is considered as the highest sin. 1 out of 10 heads of Ravana represents his Brahmana wisdom, and remaining 9 represent his other attributes including jealous. Some Brahmins of Ayodhya did not like Sri Rama killing Ravana. They disagreed with him and they did not do any holy rituals for Sri Rama. But some Brahmins understood the divine reason behind Rama's actions and supported him. This group of Brahmins later became Sarayu Parin Brahmins who resided on the other side of Sarayu river in Ayodhya. This way, Brahmins at the time were divided into two groups. When Rama and Lakshmana were coming back to Ayodhya after killing Ravana, Rama expressed his guilt for killing Ravana. He felt that he should not have killed Ravana as he had Brahmana wisdom and Vedic knowledge. Rama respected this Brahmana wisdom. After Ravana fell in the battlefield, Rama asked Lakshmana to seek knowledge from dying Ravana. Ravana accepted the request and passed his Vedic wisdom to Lakshmana. Upon seeing Rama's guilty feeling, Maharshi Agastya revealed Rama that Ravana is reincarnation of Lord Vishnu's servant. Killing Ravana liberated him from the humanhood and sent him back to Vaikunta. But Sri Rama was not convinced and still wanted to burn his sin of killing a Brahmin. Sri Rama performed Ashwamedha Yajna as per Rishi Agastya's orders to get away from any sin. Idea behind Ashwamedha Yajna is bringing multiple kingdoms under one rule for better stability and bring uniformness over the vast region. The king who completes the Ashwamedha Yajna is considered as powerful and greatest of all. As Ravana is great devotee of Lord Shiva, Sri Rama also consecrated Shivalingam at Rameshwaram while he was travelling back to Ayodhya from Lanka. Sri Rama even went to Devaprayaga to take bath in river Ganges for his atonement. According to Hindu Puranas, Brahmins are considered to belong to Lord Brahma lineage. Their duty is to hold knowledge from Lord Brahma and spread to the mankind. Hence, they are protected since ages, and killing them is sin. Knowledge and personal wisdom are central parts of Hinduism. Not just Rama, but Arjuna also killed Brahmin Dronacharya in Kurukshetra war, and Arjuna did not incur any sin. So, Rama did not incur any sin as he killed Ravana on divine purpose, but it is his own feeling and he wanted to get away from it. These actions by Sri Rama show how righteous person he is. He always thinks of following dharma and his duties. That is why he is the beloved God by many.